Introducing the Exlicon MX, the latest innovation from Didin. Thanks to your support, we were able to create the Exlicon and MagCon with 2 previous Kickstarter campaigns. Building on the Exlicon multi-shape design tool, the MX can draw an array of circles, ellipses, squares, triangles, and golden angles, among many more, even larger than before. The MX comprises of an aerospace aluminium or stainless steel base and an extendable ruler, which makes it possible to draw on paper of up to A0 size. All you need to do is click the magnetic components together in order to get creating. The design tool provides unbeatable stability, so you can create flawless, hole-free designs and draw small and large geometries without having to worry about keeping your tool steady. From 10mm to 475mm in diameter, whichever size you want. You can draw circles, hexagons, pentagons, stars, and countless more shapes of all sizes with the Exlicon MX multi-shape design tool, making it an invaluable tool to architects, artists, and designers. What's more, the base piece of the Exlicon MX doubles up as a mini measuring wheel. This makes it possible to measure all kinds of lines, whether they're curvy, wriggly, or straight. The Exlicon MX rolling measurement ruler has a circumference of 20 cm with measurements to the millimeter. The water drop wing has curves and patterns carved on it, including the golden ratio, perfect for mandala designers of every level. The MX cutter is an add-on item that can help you to carve out any shapes you want. The disc has a chamfered design to enable you to quickly construct lines and grids. CNC forged, the MX creates impossibly precise angles and executes flawless designs. At Didin, we're ready to level up the design space with our new, sophisticated, multi-talented design tool. But we need your help to get there. Unleash your creativity. Thank you. Live on Kickstarter now.